Good morning, everybody. It's I don't know, I think it's December 1st or November 31st. I don't even know what month has what day, but anyways, it's gonna be a good day today. It's about, I think, like 6:30, 7 o'clock right now. I'm heading over to the wood yard. We're supposed to be getting this snowstorm that basically everybody in the middle of the country, center of the country, Wisconsin, Ohio, Montana, everybody over there has already gotten. We're gonna be getting it tomorrow about midday. It's supposed to start around like 9, 10 in the morning, and it's supposed to end around like 8 o'clock at nighttime, give or take. So I'm gonna be heading over to the wood yard and spending the entire day splitting and stacking wood and just trying to spend like a full day over there, trying to get as much done as I possibly can, get as much of a stockpile as I possibly can before the snowstorm. This quote-unquote snowstorm, they're calling for about 3 to 6 inches in total. Obviously, I wish that it was a lot more, but one push is better than no push. So I'm gonna try to take you guys along for this snowstorm, and we'll see how it goes. I wanna capture a lot more snow plowing and just like my winter season this winter, and I think I'll have a better chance at doing that this winter than I did in previous ones. So I'm heading over to the wood yard now, and I'll see you guys when I get there. Thanks for watching. All right, good morning, guys. Just got over to the wood yard. It's about, I don't know, 28 degrees, 25 degrees, give or take, with the wind chill making it about 15 degrees. Everything's all good from the other day when I was here. So I'm going to take the tarps off, and then I think what I'm gonna start with is I'm gonna finish stacking the cord of wood right over there to just get that out of the way, and then once that's done, then I'll start splitting the rest of the bucked wood. I got my chainsaws with me, so I'll even start cutting in and bucking some fresh wood from the new tractor trailer load. But yeah, I'm gonna take these tarps off and start with that. Got a nice pile of wood right there, that's for sure. So I already have a good face cut already stacked, and the bottom portion of the middle row. So I'm just going to switch this over to hyperlapse and get to work. right. So just got that cord stacked, flip the tarp around so that's black on top so that it brings in more heat, and I put it on those firewood racks, which is awesome because it lifts it off the ground and I can put space in between each row so that more airflow gets in there and stuff. And yeah, so now so eventually I think what's gonna happen is I'm gonna get so much firewood, or we're gonna get so much snow that one or two things is gonna happen. One, we get too much snow and it's gonna get to the point where there's nowhere that the snow can go, so I'm forced to be limited with how much space that I have for firewood. Or two, you know, in the coming weeks, we get less snow than what I'm hoping, and we have enough space to where I can fill in like all of this with firewood, and I just mound this thing so that there's like, I don't know, 7 to 10 cord of wood. That was really weird. I went to stop the GoPro from recording and it like froze and I couldn't stop the GoPro, so I walked away and moved all of that wood, and then I came back and I just like hard stopped the GoPro because it still didn't do anything. So hopefully the GoPro doesn't blow up because this is the only one I got. So but yeah, I'm just rotating the wood. So I'm grabbing all of the wood from the back corner that I usually never get to because I'm constantly throwing over here. So I'm grabbing all that wood from that side, throwing it onto the pile, because that backside also got like snowed on last couple, like 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, when we had that frantic snowstorm and the tarps weren't put on it or whatever. So I'm trying to rotate that so that the pile can warm up and get rid of all that snow. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just rotating the wood, and then I'll start bucking. I also brought hot chocolate, so I can't forget that like I did the other day. All right, guys, I am back from getting lunch and warming up, and it's time to finish up the remaining bucked pile because I already am past the time that I thought I was going to be getting out of here. It's around like noon right now, so let's hammer this out and get out of here in the next hour or so, and yeah. Alright guys, we are all bundled up and ready for the snowstorm to roll through. I even took down my banner that was hanging up, and I closed up the carport. Everything's all set in there, ready to go. So today's recap, I ended up finishing stacking this cord of wood, and then from then on it was just splitting, and I'm not gonna say I got a lot of wood done, but I definitely say I got 2 cord done at least. Anyways, like I said at the beginning of the video, I want to make more winter plowing videos. So if everything goes well tomorrow, I'm gonna make a video of me plowing all my accounts and stuff too. So thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.